Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can design reverse forward control in Siemens PLC S7-300 and operate by HMI using runtime of TIA Portal V16. Let's go to our topic. I will open my SIMATIC Manager software and here we will start the project. First of all, we will take the one input address. In an example, internal memory we will be use M0.0 we will choose for our forward command or reverse command. Any you can design this one. This is depend on your choice. When you make the giving the tags, you can give the numbers of reverse, and also this one can be give M0.0. The same address we will be give. This is for forward, this is for reverse, and this is for forward button, stop button yani. And for main button, this one we will be design next. This is our start execution, and one contact we will choose for close contact for interlock, and one we will take for motor. This is on off, and here we will be make just latching for this coil. So one open contact we will take and make it latch, and this address we can give this M0.1, and this we can give the close contact of Q0.1 for example, and this you can use for Q0.0. So, and this latching system we will take the Q0.0, and same this network, we will be copy and here paste or we can design this, nothing issue. Copy, why this is not copy? Copy this network and paste. Yeah, this is okay, and just only change the addresses here. This is M0.2 we can choose, and this is close contact we will choose Q0.0, and this address also we will change for Q0.1 because of this is our reverse and this is our forward command, and this is holding address also we will choose Q0.1 because of when this motor will be this forward will be run, after this reverse will be no run. When reverse will be start, after forward will be no start. This Q0.0 we take the interlock for this program for the safety. This close for this one and this close for this one. So M0.2 is our, for example, reverse, and M0.1 is our forward. So same, this is our main this one, but this we have to be take close contact because of we need this one close contact of M0.0. M0.0, this we will be choose close contact because of we will be start from here M0.2 and M0.1, right? And download this program to the PLC, and let's check here first. After we will go to the HMI. An example, I will give the signal at M0.1, and you can see our Q0.0 is on. So 0, and when I M0.0 give signal, after this will be stop, right? Same as this one, M0.2 we will be check. Our Q0.1 is on, forward or reverse for example, and when M0.0 we will make it on. After this will be stop, right? So this program is complete. Now we will go to the HMI. Open our TIA portal software, and here we will design in the HMI. First of all, we will take the some buttons and place it here. This size, if you like to be make little bigger, you can make it here this size, and inside you can write reverse, rew reverse you can write. Okay, and this is just control C and make it control V, and just we will write it here this one, and this we will be write it in the between little. I will make it, and if you like to change this color you can change the colors also. And next we will take one circle for the indication of our motor. This is for our reverse command, for example, and make it control C and make it control V, and this is our for reverse forward command. This is we will write forward, the forward, and this is we will be make for stop, stop. Okay, this is reverse forward, this is in center stop, yani same like you can design. And here also you can make some take some animation, also you can take the animations. Here also if you like to be take the text, you can take text from here and you can write it here reverse. And color, if you like to be choose this one black, this will be black. And size, if you like to be increase, you can make it size increase. And same as you can write it here, and size if you like to be increase black color, and size you can increase depend on your choice. And this will be forward, FWD forward, right? When this creation is finished, you can adjust this symbols. And now we will give the tags. First of all, we will design all tags. Go to the HMI tags, and here you can go to the table. Okay, this old tags we will be delete all these tags, and we will design new tags. And this we can give the name for reverse. And this address we will be change our reverses. What address you can see in our program, M0.1 is our, for example, reverse. M0.1 M0.1 is our reverse command, and forward we will be design M0.2, and stop stop button is M0.3, no M0.0. M0.0 is our stop button. And output we need for here. Next, motor, TOR, motor reverse. Motor reverse we will give Q0.0, and motor forward we can give the address Q0.1, right? And this is response time, we will be change 100 milliseconds. Same as this one. Also we will change this 100 milliseconds. Same as this one. All we will change the 100 millisecond. And save this project and go to the root screen. And here we will now define the tags. Go to the properties and little we will make it big. This first one is reverse. Which color you want to this one button, it's depend on you. For example, this is we take this color, change, and in go to the events and here add function set bit and which tag you like to be defined. Here is forward m0.2 m0.2. We can see in our program also m0.1 is our reverse. m0.1 is our reverse. m0.1 is our reverse. Okay, and same tag we will be make it one more time. This is we will make the for click yani. We like to be make this one for press yani. No, this no need. We will make for press this one. Set bit and tag we will be choose for m0.1. Okay, and same as when we release this one we need to be stop reset bit and same tag we will be choose m0.1. This one reverse. Okay, these two tags and this stop this one we need for in press set bit and tag we will be choose m0.0 m0.0 and after when release this one reset bit and here we will be go same tag m0.0 and same after this one forward we will press this one set bit and tag we will be give it here m0.2 and when release this one reset bit and tag we will be give same this one name m0.2. So now this almost our completed. Stop, forward, reverse, and now we will go to the animations to the same reverse command and forward command. Here we will choose the tag name q0.0 is our motor reverse tag and click OK. And after you have to be go to the appearance. Yeah, this is range. If you like to be black color when state off, sorry, white color, this will be white. If you like to be change this color, for example, in stop condition, we will put in green. And when one state after this we will be need for red, for example, this is red we will take and this is our q0.0. Now we will design this for forward condition. Choose the tag motor forward q0.1. Okay, and range this one in stop condition same we will take for green in stop condition and for one condition we will choose for red condition. Okay, so save the project and make the simulation. So let's check our program. And this will be make it down, and this simulator we will be make it with the near our PLC. Now you can see our M0.1 when we like to be press, this we need to be red. This one is running. Now this is our reverse motor is running, and when we make it the stop button, after this will be stop. And again when we push on the forward command, this is our forward, and when we will be make the stop, this will be stop. See, if little you like to be make this one big also I can show you here in the program. Q0.0, when we press this one, Q0.0 will be on, and when we stop this one and press the forward, after Q0.1 will be start, and stop this one, after this Q0.0 also we stop. One more thing, this is colors we not change, so again once we will be change the colors. So this button properties, and here you can go to the animations. Mm, yeah, here we can choose this one color, same color we can choose, and this one for stop condition we will choose for red color. Any color you can choose, and also for background also, if you like to be change the colors, you can go to the properties, and here you can take the color which color you want. For example, you need this color, after you can take this color, and if you like to any other color, for example need white color, this you can white color choose, and save the project, and after you can make it the simulation. It's very simple and easy method. So now you can see your HMI for the with colors theme also. Push on reverse, reverse is running, stop and forward run, after your forward run, and when push stop, after this will be stop. Hope guys you will be understand about this reverse forward control from the HMI command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.